You think waking up is peaceful. You think it is love and light. You think it is incense and yoga mats and feeling bliss. Well, you're very wrong. Waking up is a demolition project. Waking up is an act of war against the program that has been running in your mind since the day you were born. And here is the hard truth nobody tells you in the brochures. The moment you unplug, the moment you cut the cable, the system will notice. It will not applaud you. It will trigger an immune response. It happens the moment you claim your power. Watch what happens in your daily life. You tell a man, a friend, a coworker that you have found a way to observe your thoughts without reacting. You tell him you are not a slave to your emotions. Does he ask you how? Does he celebrate your freedom? No. He tells you, that's impossible. We are human. We are powerless. Now, pay attention. He isn't fighting you. He is fighting for his right to remain a victim. He is terrified. Because if you are free, then his excuse is gone. If you are free, it means the door to his cage was unlocked the whole time. And that is a terrifying realization for a sleeping God. So he attacks you. He mocks you, not to hurt you, but to protect his own sleep. Then comes the hardest battle, the family. You go home. You tell your bloodline that you are a king, that you are a sovereign creator. You tell them you are divine. And what do they say? Who do you think you are? You were born in sin. You are unworthy. Be humble. Recognize this for what it is. This is the oldest virus in the database. This is the root code of the control system. They want you to believe the factory setting is broken. And why? Because if you are broken, you need them to fix you. You need their institutions. You need their permission. You need their forgiveness. But if you are whole, then you are already complete. When they lose control, they lose their customer. When you refuse to be broken, you become dangerous to the economy of dependence. Do not make the mistake of taking this personally. Do not mistake this for hate. It is just physics. It is just gravity. When you rise, when you increase your frequency, you create a pressure differential. The crabs in the bucket will try to pull you down. Not because they want to destroy you, but because your altitude proves that gravity is a choice. And that terrifies them. Your flight insults their gravity. Your silence insults their noise. So they pull, they claw, they gossip, they ridicule. They are just trying to neutralize the anomaly. And you are the anomaly. So what do? When the immune response triggers, expect the attack. When they tell you are crazy, when they tell you are a sinner, when they tell you it's just a movie and you should go back to sleep, do not argue. Do not explain. Do not try to wake them up by shaking them. You cannot explain color to a man who loves the dark. You cannot explain flight to a man who loves his chains. If you stop to argue, you lower your altitude. You engage with their gravity. And that is how they win. Let them have their cage. Let them have their victimhood. Love them, but love them from a distance. But you keep climbing. You keep rising. You keep flying. And if you enjoyed watching this, want to explore any more reality co-creation or consciousness ascension, just hit me up. NoGoodBreathing.com.